Hello, this is Arul. Welcome to the video lecture series on the course of building construction. And this is the lecture number 12 and the part number 2 in the topic windows. In the previous videos, we saw the definition, how we have to choose the size of window and what are the different types of window. So in this video, we are going to see three topics, that is what is a metal window, how we are going to fix this metal window, and what is the advantages of metal window. And the second one is window grill. So under window grill we are going to see what are the different types of window grills we are using in the field of construction. And the third topic is aluminum window. So these are the three topics we are going to see in this video. Let's start with the metal window. These metal windows are extremely used in public and residential buildings. So due to its strength, durability and a lesser cost. So in this metal window, every part will be in steel only. Every part will be in steel, aluminum, stainless steel or bronze. So if you take our college windows, these are all our metal windows. So every part you will have a metal parts only. So it is can be made up of mild steel, aluminum, stainless steel or bronze. And the aluminum windows are rust proof, durable and require no maintenance and painting. So if you want to go for a metal window, the best option is aluminum window because it is a rust proof and it have very durability and it requires no maintenance and no painting at all. So how we are going to fixing the metal window? So first, the prepared opening, it should be cleared and exact position of window frame is marked by chalk lines or pencil. We have to mark the window frame exact position of where the window frame will come along the verticals, head and sill of the window frame. So we have to mark where the window frame will come exactly on the opening. Second, the distance of fixing hole are measured on the frame. So we have to drill a hole to fix the hold fast, right? So we have to fix the mark the hole on the window frame, and these positions also the hole marking should also be marked on the chalk lines or pencil lines that are drawn in the joints of the opening. So we have to measure the distance of the fixing hole on the window frame and we have to mark those distance on the opening where we draw the chalk lines or pencil lines. We have to mark that on also. Then once the marks are done, we have to cut a hole in brick masonry. So we will use brick masonry only. So in that we have to cut a hole in brick masonry. So if you are going for RCC masonry, they will, where the window will come, they will leave the spaces while doing the concreting. So in the brick masonry only, we have to cut the hole in the uh, hole to make uh, the hole fast to accommodate it. So we have to fix the hole first in that. So we have to cut the hole. So how much the size of the hole is? 5 centimeter square. Size will be 5 centimeter and depth will be 5 to 10 centimeter deep. We have to cut. So why we are cutting it? To accommodate hold fast or lugs. Fourth point is the frame is placed in opening. So we cut the hole and we drill the hole on the brick masonry and we put it the hole first. Then what we have to do? We have to place the frame on the opening and see whether it is correctly fitting or not. Otherwise, you have to adjust the position in correct alignment. So we have to adjust the position, or if it is any needed, we have to chisel down the wooden work, brickwork again to make it a perfect place. So once it is correctly in position, the lugs or hold fast are screwed tight to the frames. Lugs are hold fast are screwed tight to the frames. So once these are all tight, once it is all screwed very well, or we will tighten the screw very well, then this area, there is a hole in the wall, So this area should be placed with the cement mortar. The hole should be packed with the cement mortar. So inside the hole, we will have holdfast or lugs. So what will happen? It won't come out of it. So after the whole cement mortar was set, what we have to do? Wooden wedges, that some wedges we will provide to hold the windows. That wooden wedges are removed, and the space between the opening of the frame and the opening and the frame is filled with cement mortar. So if you take the wooden wedges that is supporting the window frame, there will be a small gap between the opening and the window frame. That small gap should be filled with the cement mortar. So if you are taking in case of stone masonry or RCC work, it is very difficult to cut hole through the stone or the RCC. So what we will do, so during the construction time, we will insert the wooden planks. So where the window will come, we will insert the wooden planks during the construction itself. So if we inserted the wooden planks into the concrete, so we know where the wooden planks are there. So we can easily screw the wooden frame to these wooden planks with the help of galvanized ironwood screws. Okay, this is how we will fix the steel window. So what are the advantages of metal or steel window? First one is, these metal windows are generally manufactured in factories. Mostly it will be manufactured in factories, so that it will have a greater precision, it will have great accuracy or precision and better quality control. So the steel we are using, it will be in good quality. Second is, they exhibit elegant appearance and streamlined finishing. So once your metal windows are manufactured from the factories, so you can look, a beautiful appearance will be there, and it will have a straight edge finishes will be there. So it looks beautiful. Third point is, these metal windows or steel windows are stronger and more durable than wooden windows. So if you are comparing with the wooden windows, the steel windows will have stronger and more durable. Fourth, there will be no contraction or expansion due to weather effect in the steel window. But if you take the wooden window, it will have these type of defects on it. So if you have more water, it will expand. If it is very dry, it will contract. That will happen. So there will be no such effect in the steel window. And they are rot proof and termite proof. So if you take wooden window, a rot and a termite, they will play an important role to destroy your wooden element. So if you considering it, it will be, you have to give the termite proofing or rot proofing chemicals you have to give. But in the window, metal window, you don't have that such type of defects on it. And the sixth point is, they are highly fire resistant. So if you take wooden and the steel will have higher fire resistance. Whatever the fire, the steel will be like that only till it reaches its melting point. Steel melting point is very high. But in wooden planks, if you keep fire, it will catch up the fire and it will make other parts also in fire. So steel will have high fire resistance. Seventh one is, since the steel windows are fabricated from thin sections of the steel, they provide more efficient area. So it will have more efficient area for light and ventilation. So if you compare with other type of windows. Eighth one is, they grant better facilities for providing different types of openable parts. So in a metal window, so we can provide better facilities for opening areas. We can give it in any shape. And the last point is, it is easy to maintain and the cost of maintenance also negligible. So very less amount of cost will be used in the for the maintenance of the metal window. So this is the metal window, how we are going to fixing in and what are the advantages of the metal window. Next one is window grill. So this is the window frame. So this is the window grill. There will be some designer window grills will be there. So that is the window grill. The grill work is provided to window for better appearance and safety. So aesthetically, look wise also it will be better, and safety wise also it will better safety. So the grill work may be either fabricated or cast one. So once you can do the grill work, or from the manufacturers we can easily get the cast part also. And generally ferrous or non-ferrous alloy materials are used for the grill works. For non-magnetic or magnetic alloy materials are used for the grill works. So there are different types of window grill. First one is MS grill, that is mild steel grill. This is how. So this grill part will be in mild steel. So they are casted as per the requirement by welding MS rod. So we are going to weld these parts. What is the requirement of the window grill you are giving? So they will weld by using the mild steel rods. These are commonly used in balconies and windows, etc. Second type is welded wire mesh grills. Welded wire mesh grills. First one is an MS rod. Here we are using the steel wire. So the diameter will be very less. So in the welded wire mesh, there are two types. One is diamond mesh. Another one is chicken mesh. So why it is called diamond mesh and chicken meshes? Because of their uh, shape. So in the diamond mesh, mostly we will have the opening will be in the shape of diamond or in rhombus shape. Diamond or in rhombus in shape. Mostly this diamond mesh will be used in closing verandas we will use. Second one is a chicken mesh. This is also welded, fabricated using the wire only, steel wire only, but the shape is mostly in a rectangle shape. Mostly in a rectangle shape. Third type is aluminum grill. Here we will use the aluminum bars, so to make the window grill. So this is made up of by welding square aluminum bars together. So why we are going for aluminum bar is they are very good in rust proof. So no rust will harm the aluminum, and it is also less maintenance. So it doesn't require any more amount of maintenance. It is less maintenance. And the fourth one is plastic grill. So instead of metals, we are using the plastic grills. So these plastic grills used for special purpose of protection from insects. It will be a small opening will be there, so insect cannot come inside it. So you can see that insect net, that is a plastic grill. And the fifth type is cement grills. So here we will mold the design of window grill in the cement concrete, plain cement concrete. We will mold the uh, which type of design of grills you needed, we will mold that one. So mostly this will be used in hospital, mosque, temples. We will use mostly in public building. We will use this cement grill. Next one is weather shield. So why we are giving the weather shield means, so this is the weather shield. We will provide it in the above the window or any important areas we will provide. Why it is a temporary structure provided for the protection from rainwater. So during rainy season, you want to protect this window structure or any other structure, we will provide this weather shield. this weather sheet can also be in plastic or metal also. Any metal also we can get it. The next type is aluminum window. So the whole frame, shutter, everything will be made in aluminum materials. So in modern times, we are using these aluminum windows are very popular. Very popularly, they are using this aluminum windows because this aluminum is light in weight and it is a strong material, and it does not warp, expand and shrink in the presence of moisture. Moisture does not affect the aluminum. So in modern days, we are using it in more for very popularly we are using it, and it is easy to cut and join together. Any shape you can easily cut and you can easily join them, and it can be powder coated in factory. So the aluminum, it will be powder coated so that it does not require any painting during the lifetime, and these windows are also corrosion resistant. So these are the properties of aluminum window. Next, what is the protection treatment for windows and doors? So if you see any sign of dirt or water stain, wipe the doors and windows. So if you see any water marks or dirt in the doors and windows, you have to clean it with the cloth. Second, always use hydraulic oils in the hinges. So when the door or windows get struck, we have to use the hydraulic oil in the hinges, not any some other oils. We have to use the hydraulic oil. Third one is apply painted coat over the surface. If it is a door, we will give the painted coat like a varnish we will give. If it is in a steel, whether a metal window, we will provide the rust proof coating. So we have to apply some painted coat over the surface to prevent it from the any other defects. And these doors and windows should be prevented from the contact with water. We have to provide it, we have to stop the we have to prevent it from the contact of water. So holes, next last point is holes in the surface of door should be filled with fillers, and the color of the filler should be according to the color of the door. So if you have having a door and it having some hole in it, you have to fill it with the filler. So if it is in brown color door, this fillet will also will be in brown color. So it should be matched in door. So these are the protection treatment for windows and doors. So in this video, we saw metal window. So under the metal window is how we have to fix the metal window and what is the advantages of the metal window. Second, we saw the window grill and what are the types of window grills. Last, we saw the aluminum window. Thank you.